In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney AI logo design prompts. We're going to use an AI assistant to craft a high-quality logo prompt, then bring that prompt into Midjourney so you can generate clean, professional logo concepts fast. I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. First, head to chatgpt.com and open a new chat. Your goal here is to create a precise, descriptive prompt that Midjourney can interpret reliably for logo design. Tell the AI about the brand's name or placeholder, the industry, the personality you want to convey, and any visual direction. Keep in mind that logos work best when they're simple and scalable, so steer away from overly complex scenes. A good example you can request is something like, create a minimalist vector-style logo for a modern tech brand. Use a clean, flat design with strong contrast, simple geometry, and a one-to-one square layout. Emphasize clarity and negative space. Avoid text and backgrounds. Aim for a white background with a standalone mark. You can also mention a color direction such as monochrome or a two-color palette, and references like Swiss modernism, geometric, or monoline. Once you're happy with the generated prompt, copy it to your clipboard. Next, go to the Midjourney website and click Create. If you're prompted to sign in or choose a plan, complete that so you can access the image generator. Once you're in the creation interface, look for the prompt box at the top of the page. Paste the prompt you created into that box. Before you submit, take a moment to refine the details for logo use. Logos generally look best in a 1-to-1 aspect ratio, so make sure your wording clearly asks for a square composition. If you want a very clean result, reinforce phrases like flat, vector, minimal, high contrast, white background, no text. If you prefer a softer or more playful tone, mention rounded corners, friendly shapes, or a pastel palette. Keep the description precise and avoid narrative details that could clutter the mark. Now click on Settings. Here, consider options that affect clarity and consistency. A standard quality level is usually enough for logos, and a moderate stylization helps keep shapes simple rather than overly artistic. Confirm that your aspect ratio is square, then submit your prompt. Midjourney will generate several logo concepts based on your request. From here, you can review the outputs and note what's working, balance, recognizability, and scalability. If needed, return to your prompt, tweak a few descriptors, and generate again until you land on a mark that feels strong and versatile.